Good day, everyone. I am Aldrich Kirby.
I am MYSTJ LOMONGO.
I am HARVIN Esmeralda.
I'm Rainier Ben V. Morales. This is the third group of CE25 laboratory. For this lab activity, we'll be obtaining the undisturbed soil sample.
So, what is an undisturbed sample? An undisturbed sample is a soil sample taken intact from below the ground surface using such methods. An undisturbed sample is retrieved with minimal disturbance to its structure, water content, stress rate, and density. The objective of this experiment is to dig two sets of undisturbed soil sample, one for 10 by 10 by 10 inches sample and another one for 4 by 4 by 4 inches sample.
So to obtain the undisturbed soil sample, we are here now somewhere in Bukidnon. It is bright and sunny with a little clouds. Our group together with the fourth group shares the same location, and because of that, both groups should get a soil sample having a distance of 10 meters apart.
Now, for the PPE, each of us should wear a lab gown or apron, protective gloves, and closed shoes. Girls are also advised to tie their
So for the materials used in digging, we have shovel and digging bar. We also have steel tape, wooden plank. Next materials are paraffin wax, also cans and woods to be used for melting the wax. Lastly, we have this mega box to store our sample. So for our first procedure, we have to select a specific area in which we will get our soil sample. So our first step is to remove debris such as grass, roots, and rocks because these debris can be hazardous.
Hours later.
So the undisturbed soil must be located at least 1 meter below the ground.
Much later.
kuta na eh.
One eternity later.
So just a reminder, the sample should be 1 meter below the natural grade line.
Hello, dili. Lagi.
As you can see, it is now 1 meter below the natural grade line. We will now collect the sample, the 10 by 10 by 10 and the 4 by 4 by 4.
Many adorable hours later.
So in this portion, we will now go to melt our paraffin wax, and this will be used to coat our soil samples.
Now, right now, we are coating the soil sample using the paraffin wax.
A little later. Many unbearable hours later.
So for better safety of our soil sample, we will now wrap our soil sample with that.
Meanwhile, several days later.
Okay, so now after coating it with wax and plastic, you should put it in a mega box and deliver it to the soil laboratory in XU. This is for safekeeping.
The end.